Hi my dear students, good morning to all. This is your Radha madam. I am going to engage your 4th semester inorganic chemistry especially. And inorganic chemistry part we have totally 3 chapters mainly. First chapter is coordination compounds, and then second one is metal ligand bonding in complex, that is second chapter, and the last third chapter is oxidation and reduction chapter. Okay, so in this video I'm going to explain about introduction part for the coordination coordination compounds. So we can know about what is the exact meaning for the coordination compounds. Okay, so we can take NaCl. Here I wrote NaCl as an example. Here I wrote NaCl as an example for simple salt. Okay, so here I'm taking NaCl is when we are taking example, we can take NaCl is one example for a simple salt. So when we add water into the NaCl, so what happening? Okay, do you have any idea? So I think you have idea about it will be dissociate, right? So what do you mean by dissociate? So after adding water into the NaCl, so what happening means it dissociate into ions. Okay, constituent ions. Here NaCl dissociate into to form Na plus and Cl minus as a constituent ions. Okay, so now there are other type of class of salts are there, which are a combination of two simple salt. Okay, here this is a example for simple salt, right? So now I am going to take another type of another class of salts, that may be by these are called as second type, double salt. Okay, this is double salt. Here I written one example for that double salt, that is called mohr salt. Okay, here mohr salt is also called as ferrous ammonium sulfate. Okay, here we are regularly in a laboratory we are using, right? So how you are saying it is double salt? Okay, based on what we are saying this is double salt. Here I clearly mentioned while writing molecular formula for mohr salt, it contains two salts, right? One is ferrous sulfate, another one is ammonium sulfate. So for this reason we are called as this belongs to double salt. So here now there are class of salt which are contain two combination of two simple salts. So here I am taking FAS as an example for double salt. We are using this FAS in regular laboratory, right? This is also called as mohr salt. Okay, this is it is clear, right? In mohr salt contains two simple salts. One is ferrous ammonium salt. This is ferrous ammonium sulfate, and another one is ammonium sulfate. Okay, these two are belongs to simple salt. After combining these two salt, we can getting double salt. Okay. Okay, when we are now, if I try to this mohr salt dissolved in water, when I trying to dissolve this double salt in one container containing water, what happening? So I already explained in simple salt analysis. So what happening after adding water into the container containing NaCl salt? So what happening? It takes place dissociation. So dissociation means it gives two constituents ions, okay, with respect to that NaCl salt. So in the same method I am applying here for the double salts. So what happening? After adding some water into the mohr salt, so similar way what happened in already in simple salt, so in the same method we are applying to in double salt analysis. So it is gives respective constituents which ions are present in double salt, it means mohr salt. It gives after dissociation, it also